My dearest, darling, great ancestors.
My dear Black Jesus.
Bitch, I'm so confused and my patience is real thin. But of course I'll mind my business.
But of course I'm about my paper.
Bitch, I'm trying but I want to respond, yes. Bitch, I'm so confused, for you see my problem is
unseasoned, unsalted, unbuttered, and downright uncultured to describe.
Bland.
What is this bland shit so tasteless and dry?
It smells like mayo and pumpkin spice.
Now let's just face it,
It's such a damn mess.
I think it's racist.
what is this bland shit? I wish that it would stop. It keeps on calling the cops a mess. Karens, let's just cancel all the Karens. Pasty privilege ass Karens, let us be Karens, please. They live in a bubble they refuse to see. They age like raisins and keep trying me with basic bitter Karens. Chalky, nosy, playing victims. Act all hard, but they are chickens.